Apple M3, M3 Pro, M3 Max. The third generation of Apple in-house chipset consists of M3, M3 Pro, and M3 Max models. All of these are based on TSMC's 3nm technology, which makes them more powerful and efficient than their processors. As the name suggests, the M3 is baseline with processor with enough power to handle basic workflows. On the other hand, the M3 Pro provides enough bandwidth for creative professionals who need more performance for several layers or videos, complex 3D design, or detailed ground plans. The M3 Max, on the other hand, packs with enough horsepower to train AI models. The M3. Starting with M3, it comes with 8-core CPU with balance of performance and efficiency cores. Further than the chip, has 10-core GPU and a 16-core neural engine, with support for 100GB memory bandwidth. Apple M3 is still an entry-level chip designed for everyday tasks such as browsing the web, checking email, using word processing apps, playing music, and consuming content. Apple M3 is currently available on 14-inch, 16-inch MacBook models, where you can configure the memory and the storage up to 24GB and 2TB, respectively. The most affordable M3 MacBook Pro model with a 14-inch Liquid Retina XDR display alongside with 8GB of unified memory. Even though the M3 Pro is an excellent M3 Pro is good for meshing, ray tracing, and has higher traditional GPU utilization. Now let's go to the M3 Pro, the creator's friend. Apple M3 Pro comes with two configurations. The base variant ships with an 11-core CPU and 14-core GPU, whereas the higher trim offers 12-core CPU and 18-core GPU. Although the processor has the same neural engine as the regular M3, it provides 150GB memory bandwidth, which is 50% more. Support for external monitors also goes up to two 6K screens at 60Hz instead of one on the M3. Depending upon your monitors or use case, you can connect one 6K monitor over Thunderbolt and one 4K monitor with 144Hz refresh rate over HDMI. If you want a higher resolution, Apple M3 Max, the performance beast. Apple top-of-the-line M3 Max chipset offer unmatched specification. It comes with two models. The base variant has 14-core CPU and a 30-core GPU, and ships with 36GB unified memory. Meanwhile, the top trim has 16-core CPU and a 40-core GPU, and a 48GB unified memory. These numbers clarify that M3 Max offer more graphical powers than the M3 Pro, while the lower spec M3 Max provide 30GB memory bandwidth. The top-tier variant offers 400GB, further improving rate which is process, scan, store, and read data. Regarding external display, the M3 Max rules over the top models. Whether you want high resolution or higher refresh rate, the processor has got you covered. You can output 4 external displays at once when you're using 3 6K screens at 60 Hz over Thunderbolt and one with 4K resolution at 144 Hz over HDMI. In other configuration, the chipset can also relay video to 2 6K screens at 60 Hz via Thunderbolt and one 8K display at 60 Hz over HDMI with an extra processing and graphic cores. Apple says that M3 Max or 14-inch MacBook Pro is about 98% faster at 3D rendering and 2% faster engineering simulation and 29% quicker at video editing Premiere than the M3 Pro on a 14-inch MacBook Pro, nearly matching the performance of the powerful M2 Ultra. The M3 Max enabled